Hello and welcome to the news on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. First, a quick look at the headlines. NCC orders Telcos to disconnect 9 banks over USSD debt. CAF postponed championship to August 2025. South Korean President Yoon arrested over failed martial law bid. And now full details of the news. The Nigerian Communication Commission has directed telecommunication companies to disconnect the unstructured supplementary service data codes assigned to 9 financial institutions. This directive, signed by the NCC's Director of Public Affairs, Ruben Mwaka, was made public on Tuesday. It mandates the affected banks to settle their outstanding debts by January 27, 2025, or risks permanent disconnection of their USSD services. The NCC, however, did not disclose the total debt owed by the 9 banks. According to the regulator, 9 out of 18 financial institutions have failed to comply with regulatory directives. The Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board has clarified that registration for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination and Direct Entry has not commenced. In a statement shared on its official X account, JAMB assured prospective candidates that details of the registration process will be announced soon. The board also advised candidates to prepare by obtaining their National Identification Number (NIN) and a unique phone number. And now we dive into the world of sports. The Confederation of African Football has postponed the African Nations Championship (CHAN 2024), originally scheduled to take place in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, to August 2025. CAF explained that while significant progress has been made in constructing and upgrading stadiums and training facilities, its technical experts have recommended more time to ensure the necessary infrastructure meets required standards. The championship draw, scheduled for today at the Kenyatta International Convention Center in Nairobi, will still proceed as planned. The exact date for the tournament in August 2025 will be announced soon. And on the international scene, impeached South Korean President Yoon has been arrested over his failed attempt to impose martial law. This marks the first time a South Korean president has been detained in the country's history. Yoon, who faces charges of insurrection, said he would cooperate with investigators to prevent further unrest. If convicted, the former prosecutor and leader of the People's Power Party could face life imprisonment or even the death penalty. Up next is the entertainment news. Nollywood actress Stella Damascus has revealed that her family's original surname was Ojukwu before the Nigerian Civil War. In an interview with media personality Ebuka Obi Uchendu, the actress explained that her grandfather changed the family name during the war to avoid being targeted, as surname was mistakenly linked to the late Biafran war general Odumegwu Ojukwu. And with that, we end the news today on Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Nifemi Onibio. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Procyon RTV. Also, to get the latest news, visit our website at www.procyonnews.com. On behalf of the production crew, thank you for staying with us, and don't forget to keep shining like the star you are.